Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain Clash Mini for Clash Royale players. While both games share the Supercell universe and many beloved characters, Clash Mini is a completely distinct tactical auto-battler game. It introduces an exciting format where you strategically deploy miniature versions of heroes and troops onto a board. The core gameplay revolves around clever placement and upgrading your units to outsmart your opponent in quick, automatic battles. Let's dive into the core gameplay mechanics. You deploy a team of 5 minis and 1 hero onto an 8x8 grid. Once placed, your units automatically battle based on their unique abilities and your strategic positioning. You'll spend elixir to deploy your minis and activate your hero's powerful abilities. The goal is simple: win 3 rounds to secure victory against your opponent in intense, turn-based combat. Clash Mini offers significant strategic depth. Each mini and hero possesses unique stats and special abilities, making every unit choice crucial. You must position your units carefully on the board to counter enemy formations and maximize your own team's effectiveness. Between rounds, you can spend gold to upgrade your minis, enhancing their power and unlocking new skills. Learning to synergize units is key to creating powerful combinations and dominating the battlefield. Ready to jump into the action? To get started, simply download Clash Mini from your device's App Store. Once installed, complete the interactive tutorial, which will guide you through the basic game mechanics and initial strategies. Don't be afraid to experiment with different heroes and mini combinations to find your preferred playstyle. You can also join a clan to play with friends, share strategies, and climb the global leaderboards together. Have fun battling.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.